Welcome to Sarah Cooks For You. Today I have a very interesting dish with a very interesting name, and that's Paneer Ghotala. The ingredients used are very simple. I've used about 5 tomatoes which I've ground to a puree, 200 grams of grated paneer, 1 whole bell pepper or capsicum, 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, about 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves. You can add it according to your taste. You can add even lesser. 2 cubes of processed cheese, 1 onion which I've ground to a paste with 1 green chili, oil as required, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric about 1/4 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste. I've used half teaspoon. The chili powder I've used the Kashmiri lal mirch, tomato ketchup about 1.5 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon pav bhaji masala, and about 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. These are the ingredients that we'll be using. Let's begin making this Paneer Ghotala. For this I've used about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and about 1 tablespoon of butter. To this we'll be adding the ground onion paste, the onion and the green chili paste. Let's fry this till it gets a little brown in color. The onion paste is fried and now I'm going to add in the ginger garlic paste. We'll fry this as well till the raw aroma from the ginger garlic paste goes away. This is a very simple dish and it hardly takes any time to make this. We'll add in the bell pepper or the capsicum, and you can make this even if you have sudden guests. It's so easy to make it and the cooking time is very less for this dish. I fried the bell peppers for about a minute and then we'll add in all the masalas. That's the cumin, chili powder, turmeric and salt. I've used Kashmiri mirch so that it gives a nice red color and it won't be that very spicy as well. I've added the tomatoes. And we'll cook the tomatoes with the masalas for about a minute or two, and then we'll add in the grated paneer. Once the tomato sauce is cooked, add in the paneer. It's as simple as this. The paneer needs no cooking time because it's very easy to cook, and since it's grated, it's already done within 2 to 3 minutes of adding the paneer into the tomato sauce. Now add in the tomato ketchup, the pav bhaji masala, kasuri methi and the chopped coriander. You can increase or decrease the pav bhaji masala according to your taste. I've also added some of the processed cheese. I've used the Amul cheese cube. I've grated it and used it. You can even leave out the cheese and the paneer will still taste amazing. I've added a bit of water to get it to the required consistency. This paneer goes really well with rotis, naans and breads. So it's a must try dish. So do try this and I'm sure you're going to love this Paneer Ghotala. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up if you like my video. I'll be waiting to know if you tried this and how this dish turned out. I'm garnishing it with some cheese which I had kept aside and coriander leaves. Let's also add in some wedges of lemon and the dish is ready to be served.